Hey guys, my name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are in for a treat. You guys will be getting a mini smoky eye tutorial with the Natasha DeNona mini Lila palette. Friends don't let friends have bad smoky eyes, so I'm going to be showing you the steps today so that you can get a perfect smoky eye every single time, and it's super easy, guys. I think this is probably the easiest tutorial that I've had ever. Anyway, guys, stay tuned and you'll see exactly how to get this bomb look with the Natasha DeNona mini Lila palette. So we're going to replicate this eye on this eye here. I've already primed and set my lid with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 40, and then used the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder on top of it. In order for your smoky eye to be really bold and really vibrant, you need to put down a base for the eyeshadow to adhere to. And I am going to be using the NYX Kohl pencil in the shade Black. It is an eyeliner that I use for my waterline usually, but it's also really good for the beginning of a smoky eye. If you have a cream black liner, that would be good too, and it'd be easier to blend out, but I don't have one right now, so I'm just going to use this Kohl pencil. You want to put the base down on the lid and just a little bit into your crease, because we're going to take a clean blending brush. This isn't clean because I used it over here. We're going to take a clean blending brush and we're going to blend it upwards towards our brow bone. About halfway between the crease and the transition area is the perfect place to stop blending, because your transition area is going to be filled with the lighter colors. Next, we are going to take the Natasha DeNona mini Lila palette, and I am going to put on Blue Dahlia, which is this shimmer color right here. I'm just going to pick a bunch of it up on this flat shader and smack it right on top of that black liner. So the goal is to pack on a bunch of pigment on your actual lid and then fade it out as you go up, just like we did with the black liner. We are picking up Poisonberry, which is this color right here, this first shade. We're putting a little bit of it on the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and then we're going to put it directly on top of Blue Dahlia. Tap it in and then blend outwards towards the transition area. On this Morph M433, I'm picking up Flint, which is this brown color, and I'm going to blend that into my brow bone so that we have a nice smooth transition upwards. To finish off the top portion of this lid, I'm taking my Morph B79 brush and I'm dipping it into linen, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. I'm also going to put some in my inner corner. So we're basically doing down here like we did up there. Instead of using a black liner, we're using a purple liner. This is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Perpetual Purple. I'm lining my waterline, so inside my eye right in here, and then I'm putting a little bit on my actual lash line. Now we are going to take the Morph M508 and dip into the shade Raisin, which is this purple right here. Pick up a lot of it on that brush and blend the rest of the lower lash line out. So now we just have to put on some mascara and pop on some lashes, and we're done with that. I'm putting on the Kiss Lash Couture Foaming Collection in the style Midnight. So guys, here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this mini smoky eye tutorial with the mini Lila palette by Natasha DeNona. If you don't interact with my videos, YouTube will not know that you like my videos, and therefore it will not push my videos. So if you do like them, please like them. Give them a thumbs up, hit that subscription button if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you can be part of the Bang Bang notification gang. If you have any questions about what we did today, be sure to leave that in the comment box below and I will get back to you as soon as I see it. Please do not forget to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at Glamazon1026 so that you guys can ask me questions about anything that your heart desires that contains makeup. Anyway guys, I had a really good time today, so thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.